But if you do know us, Rob and I, for the past 20 years after we left Hobart, we've done some really, really cool things. And we've been pretty blessed with a lot of hard work in our endeavors. We've started 3 businesses, and we're getting to the point now where we started to reflect a little bit on who we are and where we came from and how we became who we are. And the one answer that keeps coming back to us is our time here at Hobart, and also more specifically, our time with Hobart Rowing and Jim Joy. We came to Hobart as 2 pretty unfocused people, following 3 brothers who were very successful in their careers, and we were looking for guidance. And Jim Joy took us under his wing and truly made us, with Hobart Rowing, who we are today. Everything, our hard work, our ethics, everything that we stand for today and what we've accomplished all comes back to our time here growing for Hobart. So that's why we decided to get back, and we're going to continue to do so in the future. So when it came time to decide who we wanted to dedicate these boats to, I started the conversation with Paul probably almost a year ago. And the first person that came to mind was our best friend, my mother. We were unfocused kids, and she told us we could do whatever we wanted to do. And when Jim kind of took us under his wing and said, "You two can be successful rowers, possible national team, possible Olympic athletes," we went to our mom and we said, "We want to buy a boat." She didn't hesitate, and she bought us a boat from Germany, an Emhaker, and we started our rowing career, and we never looked back. When Robert had a career-ending injury to his back in 1998 that stopped our dreams of making the Olympic team in 2000, we came home, didn't really have any work experience, didn't know what to do, and we went to my mom and said, "We want to become professional golfers." I'm not joking. We were serious. We were pretty hard workers. Well, we'll take this up. We didn't want to put a tie on. That's all we wanted to do. And she said, she looked at us with a little bit of an odd smile, and she said, "We'll go for it." That was the spirit that inspired our mother, and she was the biggest impact on our life, and she was our best friend. So we thought it would be great dedication to her to name the boat after her, just after a program that we're going to be following for years to come, and be able to go to the races and see her name on the boat, and 8 fast guys rowing. So that's how we decided to name the boat after our mother. So we'll let Robert talk about the boat dedication to Seal.
In addition, we still like to see this boat with her name on it crossing first. Some big races soon. Well, the second natural fit was obviously Seal. So Seal was like our second mom, and many alumni can attest to that. I don't know how many countless nights we spent at your house for dinner, picking on you, and all that kind of fun stuff. But you really were. You were definitely our mom away from home. And, you know, it's not easy being a wife of a coach. They're away on weekends, early mornings. You either have to travel or you're by yourself a lot. So you really don't get the honor that you really deserve. And after 40 plus years of being a coach being a wife of a coach, moving all over the country, multiple countries, and all that, we thought it was a natural fit that you absolutely should have a name on the boat as well. And you really are like our second mom. I know we've been around in a while, but time to change that. But for sure, it's an honor for us to put your name on this boat.
Director Deb Stewart, HWS coaches Paul, Tom, Sandra, Lindsay, and Ford, friends, family, athletes, and last but not least, alums. 48 years ago, when I met Jim in Boston, I had a little idea of what crew was, let alone the dedication, effort, training, time, flexibility, and pressure involved in the Harvey athlete. They are a special breed. Rowing gave us the opportunity of meeting some wonderful friends. The FISA International Rowing Commission of the World, our friends from New Haven, from Boston, from Connecticut, I hope I haven't left anyone out, from Ottawa, and this is living proof that rowing friendships do last over the years. Some of these have been for 48 years. But it was here that we saw the program grow and develop and become a varsity status. The boathouse, the coaching, the staff, the equipment should never ever be taken for granted. I'd like you to close your eyes for a moment and picture the oarsmen and women carrying heavy shells from the Hallmark card shop up on 5 and 20. It was about a quarter of a mile they had to hike to get down to the water. And if it rained, oh, the mud was so thick that it sucked your shoes off. The joy years, as some of you alums call it, is a characteristic of a closeness between the men and the women. They traveled in the same buses, the same vans. They shared the same training camp, and they got exposed to dining at a diner. Many other memories come flooding back, including the raking of the ladies at the Joy House, crew dinners at our home, the green cup toasting at evening of graduation, roses at graduation. There were bands breaking down, speeding tickets, introduction to different types of food, and meditation, and many laughs. Family played a significant role in providing the tents. The parents, they still do to this day. They provided the food, the drink, and the only thing I can say is that I sometimes saw that they were just as nervous as you athletes were before your race. Looking out and seeing all of you alums, I am just overwhelmed. I'm reminded of the sacrifice you made to get here today. It is so appreciated. I just have no words. I see faces from Massachusetts, from New York, from Connecticut, from Virginia, from Seattle, and Colorado, New Jersey. And I would be remiss if I didn't mention our daughter, Kathleen, who flew in from Portland, Oregon today. And boy, did you give me a surprise. You really deserve it on your team of distinction. And thank you for this honor. Now I got something that Tom Wheel, who is, if you can look around, he's got a little pink beanie on, and he's the gentleman that gave us this water from the Royal Henley of England, bringing it back with him so that we could christen the Joy and the Angela Decino with traditional water. And both Angela and her husband, and all of you went to the Royal Henley. So, I hereby bestow upon thee the name of Cecilia E. Joy. Let the sparkling fruits of the grape and these drops from the Thames River of Henley mix with the waters of Seneca Lake to send you on your way with heartfelt wishes. When your oarsmen, working as one, give you strong catches, clean finishes, and you feel the rush of the water beneath your hull, you experience the exhilaration of rowing. Godspeed.